Welcome to your 12th video in Python programming basic course. In this video we'll talk about functions. Functions are building blocks of code that can be used over and over again. Write a function to tell the computer to print hello world. After opening a new file, we are going to write the following code. To write any function in Python, first start by type def, which tells the computer that we are going to write a function. After that, we will write the name of this function. I name it hello. After that, write any code you want. And don't forget to call this function by write its name after you have typed it. And when we run this program, hello world will appear.